Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Did you ever heard of making a paper soap at home? Definitely no. But today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a paper soap at home. You can use this when you're outside on a picnic and wanna wash your hands but there is no soap or sanitizer. So before we get started, make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. So first take some small pieces of butter paper and apply any kind of liquid soap on it using a piece of tissue. Spread it nicely. If you don't have a butter paper, watch this video and make your own butter paper at home. Guys, there is a dare for you. Share this video with 3 of your best friends. Here I have made 6. Now let them rest under fan for 10 to 15 minutes. Your paper soap is ready. Put your paper soaps together and staple them. Time to test our paper soap. Take one paper and rub it in your hands by pouring some water. Wow! Isn't it amazing? If you have enjoyed the video, make sure you have liked this video and shared this video with 2 of your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon to get notified for every new DIY video. Time for the shout out. Thanks for watching.